Hello everybody and welcome back to another one of my videos. Today I'm going to be out in my garden. I'm just going to be doing some clearing up and just pulling out some things what I don't need and rearranging the gardens, getting it ready for the winter period. So the first thing I've got to do is take down this arbour. I started it but I didn't finish it, so I've got my knife is sharp. I'm just going to take this down. And get all these holes out. So now like we're in the end of, well, the middle of October now, so we're just going to start our clearing up because I'm going to be away for a few months. You can see down there I've got a lot of volunteer tomatoes what's starting to come out, which is a bit unusual for this time of the year. Going to get all this sorted out and then I'll be back with you in a minute. Right everybody, so I've got those out. Now I want to get these tomatoes out now because I think they've done their time. Still see I've got a few on there, but these are all mostly split now. Some of them are still good, so gonna get these out and then I'll be back with you in a minute. Everybody, so I've got out all them tomatoes. I managed to harvest a few. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just give this a dig over. And I want to thank the person who donated these to the channel. These are Proline digging fork and one of these spades. So I want to thank that person. You know who you are. You don't want to be named, but thank you very much. This makes it easier on my back for digging. I can dig a lot faster with this one. This one puts less strain on my back. So what I usually do, I usually dig this over, then I'm going to put my pots on here. I'm going to put my pots up here and they'll stay up here for the rest of the year. Then when I come back now, I'm going to give this another dig over, put some manure or farmyard manure in there. If you see all those peels, all my kitchen peels and all that, I'll throw them out here as well. Makes good food for the worms during that season. And as I'm digging up, I'm seeing quite a few worms, which is good. Because this dirt was very hard, but I can see it softening out now. Got all these pots here. Scotch bonnet plant. You can see my strawberries are starting to come back again. These ones I've had for quite a few years now, so I don't know. I think it's time for those to come out soon and put some fresh ones in. So I'm going to do this. When I do this, I'll come back to you. Right everybody, so we've got that done. So you see, I've dug that up and I've moved my pots, getting them ready for next year. Then I'm just going to go through this and see what's on here. I don't know if when they're turning black like this if they're still good, because I don't. I've got still got some chilies. As you can see, they're green and black. I'm just going to pick these off. So we've had quite a lot of this year. You've got to really look, because they're so green, you've got to really look for them in between. Right, so I've got those, and I've got my Scotch bonnets down here. They're still coming on nice. So all I do is just rinse these off, and then I'll just freeze them. So I've just got them ready for next year. You can see, you just got to keep looking. I've still got some bellboys on here. I'm just going to leave these ones. See if they're getting bigger. We're near the end of the season, so I doubt if they're going to get much bigger than that. Right. So I've got my other Scotch bonnet plant here, which is this one. And there's still a few on here just to pick off. So you can always pick them when they're turning colour as well. I've tried these peppers, and I can tell you that they're really hot. The normal Scotch bonnet what you get in the stores, what's been processed and added chemicals and everything to keep them longer. So, got that one. And I've got this one, I think this one's on its way out now. I'm going to still leave it and let it go on for a bit more. As you can see, it's quite a lot on there. There, this one up here. We've had a lot off of here, and I'll tell you, given away a lot of peppers this year. A few people what I've given pepper plants to haven't done as well as this, but if you was following my videos you would have seen what I was doing throughout the season, and that's another nice thing. I might give away some of these as well, and I've still got quite a lot of the tree. So with my garden I like to share. It might be small, but you still get a few things that you can give away. Right now, this pain in the neck thing. Get my glove. I've been persevering with this all season and to no avail. We won't plant this again. This is called coal blue. I won't grow this again. This has just been a waste of time. This one's starting to swell. And then I've got one here, but I don't know what you do with them. So lucky enough, after all that, I still got one. I'll just trim it up and then I'll show you what it looks like. Something that I don't know nothing about, so I don't know. It's still a bit woody, so I don't know. That's what it looks like inside. Smells of wood, so I don't know what you're meant to do with it. So I'm just gonna trim this one up. I'm gonna take this inside and look up what to do with it. This is the only one I got off of it. You can see it's got a white fleshy interior and it's got like a woody straw effect on the outside, so don't know how you go about that one. And then, as you can see, my Gigantor tomatoes are still there. Still got big bunches of them. You can see big bunches. Big tomatoes on there. Don't know if they'll ripen up. And I've got my corn here, and I don't know what kind of corn this is because I picked one last time just to see what they were like. And they were, I'm not sure if these were like the mini corns what you're meant to pick when they're small. But as you can see, they're like this. They've got like a diamond shape, so that's telling me that these might have been the baby corns. So next time I'm going to just pick all of them off. I don't know, you can't really use them for anything, so that's what they look like. You can see the rest of my garden now I've got to do. Still got some geraniums and a few other little flowers around. So still got some chard coming back again. And more or less now everything's just getting ready to dry up now. This is my flower plant. As you can see, it might flower. I hope it does, so I can show you the flowers before the end of the season. There's only one on there. I think the rest have fallen off. And that's basically how my garden look. I've got that side to do before I go. We started pruning the plum tree. We've got this side to do, so I'm going to get that sorted next week. I'm going to prune this pear tree as well and see what happens with it. I've had it a long time, and that one I don't know if there's anything to prune off of it, but we've had pears off of it. And if you watch my cooking channel, which is Cooking with D, you'll see me making juices and different things with the things from my garden, the pears, the chards, all different sorts of dishes. I cook dishes from all over the world on that channel, so go over there and like, share and subscribe onto that channel as well. And if you like what you're seeing, Please remember to like, share and subscribe, and tell a friend to tell another friend. If you want to leave a comment, you can leave them in the comment section. I will get back to you on them. We're noticing that everyone's watching but they're not subscribing. It's just a little click for you to press subscribe, and then you'll get all our videos as they come out. So thank you for watching this one, and I'll see you all on the next one.